Welcome guys. Let's do Avalanche coin technical analysis and price prediction. So please subscribe my channel. Current rank of Avalanche is 11 and price of Avalanche token is 109. Market cap of this coin is $26 billion, which is very huge. And fully diluted market cap of AVAX is $40 billion. That is very huge. 24-hour trading volume of Avalanche is $1.1 billion. That is good. Circulating supply of Avalanche is 243 million only. Total supply of Avalanche is 395 million only. And let me please show you some statistics. All-time high of this token was on November 21, 2021, about a month ago, and price was $146. All-time low of this token was on December 31, 2020, about a year ago, and price was only $2.79. Avalanche return on investment is 20,269%, which is very huge. What is Avalanche? Let me please show you. Avalanche is a layer 1 blockchain that functions as a platform for decentralized applications and custom blockchain networks. It is one of the Ethereum rivals aiming to unseat Ethereum as the most popular blockchain for smart contracts. It aims to do so by having a higher transaction output of up to 6,500 transactions per second while not compromising scalability. That is why it is very important. It is available on Binance Exchange, KuCoin Exchange, and Coinbase Exchange. And if you want to buy this token on Binance or KuCoin Exchange, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get these links. This is Binance Exchange link, this is KuCoin Exchange link. Click on these links and register your accounts. And after initial deposit, after first deposit, you can claim $710 bonus and $100 bonus absolutely free. You can also grab $9,180 bonuses of these exchanges. Just click on these links and register with my affiliate links. After registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bonuses. These bonuses are absolutely free and tradable bonuses. Just trade with these bonuses only, put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let's dive into the content. Let me please show you website. Blazingly fast, low cost, eco-friendly. What possible with Avalanche? Bullet fast, low cost, Solidity compatible dApps. Launch customized blockchain, private and public. Bullet for decentralized apps. Here you can see who's building on Avalanche. View the Avalanche ecosystem. Let me please show you. This is Avalanche ecosystem and coin on Avalanche ecosystem. Here you can see very important coins. BenQ, Curve, DBank, Claw, Lydia Finance, Marker, MetaMask, NFT Trade. Here you can see many of beautiful and very important projects that are on Avalanche ecosystem. That is why this coin is very bright future, and that is why this is very important to me. Here you can see Bitmart, Bitfinex, and very important blockchains and exchanges and tokens. Here you can see Coin98 wallet, Coinbase, Coin1. Please visit this website by your own and please do your own research before buying this token. Let me please show you first chart. This is Avalanche USDT 4-hour pair chart. Currently it is at $109 price zone, and there is a support zone is at $97 price zone. It is facing resistance to break this $110 price zone. Once it breaks this $110 price zone, next target is $180 price zone and $125 price zone. And if it rejected from this zone, the next support zone is at $97 price zone, and it is very strong support. Here you can see after several time hitting this, price bounce back. Here you can see, here you can also see, but now it is facing to break $110 resistance area. Once it break this area, these are coming targets. These white lines are our next coming targets you have to note down. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, EMA. Let me please do this. Here you can see candles are about to break this EMA ribbon. Once candle closing above this zone, $110 price zone, it means it break this EMA ribbon, and after that new upside rally will definitely start. Here you can see price broke this EMA ribbon and we saw a impulsive move of 42% towards upside. Price break this EMA ribbon towards upside, and after that we see a impulsive move of 55 to 56%. And here you can see price break this towards downside, and after that we see a destructive move of 53%, 36% only. And that is why this EMA ribbon is very, very important. And let me please show you RSI. For our RSI is at 53, and it is good sign, crossover towards upside, and now it is at 53. And once it cross 50, in that case it will be bullish, and after that we may see easily hit these targets very, very soon. And let me please show you some fib levels for trading. For this I have to took this tool, fib retracement tool, and after that let me please do this, and let me please fix this. Here you can see it is at 0.5 fib level, which is $111 price zone. It is struggling hard to break this fib level. Once it break 0.5 fib level, after that 0.61 fib level, which is at $119 price zone, and after that 0.78, which is $131 price zone. After that 0.88, which is $138 price zone. If it rejected from this zone, then it can found spot at 0.38 fib level, which is $102 price zone, this zone. And after next zone is this area, $92 price zone. These are coming targets and these are fib levels to trade. Note down these levels. Let me please show you daily chart. It is VAX USDT pair daily chart. Currently it is at $109 price zone. It is facing hard resistance to break this $126 price zone. Several rejection from this zone. Here you can see, here you can also see, but there is a strong spot is at $98 price zone. After touching this zone, price bounce back. Here you can see several times. Here you can see, and you can also see here. That is why this area is very, very important to hold. Once Avalanche hold this area, next target is 126, after that 145, and if it rejected from this zone, next support is at $98, after that $77 and $52. These are support zones. $77, $98 and $52. These are support zones. And let me please change the color of it. These blue lines are support levels. Now let me please show you some indicators. First of all, EMA ribbon, daily EMA ribbon. Candles are about to break this EMA ribbon. Daily candle closing above $110 means candles break this EMA ribbon. After that we may see a impulsive move. Here you can see candle break this, and after that we see a impulsive move of 500%. Here you can see candles break this towards upside, and we see a compulsive move of 143%. And here you can also see candles break this towards upside, and we see a compulsive move of 32%. That is why this EMA ribbon, daily EMA ribbon, is more important than other indicators. And let me please show you CPR level. Here you can see this is brand new CPR of the month of January 2022, and here you can see these three yellow dots are main fib levels. Because it is first day, that is why it is very, very small. These blue dots are monthly CPR targets, and first target is 131, second target is 155, and third target would be 183, and main CPR is at $106, and currently it is above from this. That is a very good sign, and that is a bullish sign. And this is bearish target $79, and after that next bearish target would be this 52. I don't think price can go down to hit these zones. I think price have to hit these targets very soon. Let me please delete all these things. Please note down these support and resistance levels as well as these targets. I have to delete now. Now I have to show you fib levels for trading according to the here you can see currently it is at 0.38 fib level, in between 0.38 to 0.23 fib level. Once it break $114 price zone, it is ready to hit new all-time high. And if it rejected from this zone, then there is a strong support is at 0.38 fib level, which is at $94 price zone. After that, this area is very important, 0.5 fib level, which is $78 price zone. Here you can see several touches, and after that price bounce back. Here you can see, here you can see, here you can see. That is why this area, this fib level is very important, 0.5 fib level, and it is very important support, and it is at $78 price zone. Let me please show you weekly chart. This is Avalanche weekly chart, and currently it is at $109 price zone. This is main trend line. Here you can see after every touch price bounce back. Here you can see, here you can see. Now it is facing resistance to break this zone, $170 price zone. Once it break this zone, next target is 127 and $145 price zone, and next support is at $98 price zone. And this area is very important because of this trend line and because of this horizontal support zone. After that, this area is very important, $74 price zone. This is weekly support and resistance levels. These white lines are support lines and these blue lines are resistance levels. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of your friends and crypto community. And if you want to grab these bounces, $9,180 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's description or comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bounces. You can claim total $9,180 bounces of these exchanges. Just register, just deposit, and after that claim these bounces. These bounces are tradable. Just trade with these bounces only. Put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.